Hey there, finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and banking tips to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to find your bank statement on Chime in 2025. If you're a Chime user, you know how handy this app is for managing your money on the go, but locating your statements can sometimes feel like a puzzle. Don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step, so you can get what you need quickly and hassle-free. First off, why bother with bank statements? They're essential for tracking your spending, preparing taxes, or just keeping tabs on your financial health. Chime makes it simple, especially with their updated 2025 interface. To start, make sure you have the latest version of the Chime app installed on your smartphone. Open it up and log in with your credentials. Security is key, so use a strong password or biometric login if available. Once you're in, head to the main dashboard. You'll see options like your account balance and recent transactions. Look for the menu icon. It's usually 3 lines or a hamburger button in the top corner. Tap that, and scroll down to the Statements or Account History section. This is where the magic happens. Select the statement you want. You can choose by date range, like monthly or yearly. Chime will then display your statement on screen. You can view it directly in the app or download it as a PDF for your records. Pro tip: if you're having trouble, double-check your app settings or ensure your account is verified. It's that straightforward. And there you have it. Finding your bank statement on Chime is quick and painless. This feature is a game changer for staying organized in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and hit that bell icon. Drop a comment below if you have questions or other banking apps you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.